Hello everyone, this is Raga here. Today I am going to share an unboxing video of my stamping tool, MISTI. It is my first stamping tool ever, so just a thought, why not to film my first stamping impression with it? Let's get started. Hey, here is my MISTI tool from my sweet Petunia. Well, all of you know that MISTI stands for Most Incredible Stamp Tool Invented. It comes in 3 sizes: Mini MISTI, Original MISTI and the Memory MISTI. I got the original one of dimension 8 by 10 inches, whereas the stamping area would measures 6 by 8 inches. Let's unbox it. It seems my MISTI is wrapped up with another cardboard box inside. Finally, here is my stamping platform. Woohoo! I'm so excited. It just resembles a frame but with a lid. MISTI patent right has been mentioned here. There is a bar magnet behind. Oh, it's super strong for me to pick it up. So first I'm going to create a little handle for my bar magnet just to pick it up easily. I'm using a piece of washi tape from my stash and I'm going to wrap it around my bar magnet to create a handle. Let's trim this off. Here you go, it's all set ready. MISTI is made out of acrylic. Can you see the grid image on top of the lid surface? As it is laser edged, there is no need for any vinyl cling to protect it. It won't wear off. Some people are having issues with the hinges, but I don't know, I have to see over time. There are 3 rulers around and I really love them how vibrant they are in pink. There is a grid paper inside which I have to laminate a few of them for easy reuse and cleaning purpose. There is one black foam pad included which can be used with photopolymer clear stamps. Let's try out some stamping. I'm placing a rough white cardstock and put a bar magnet over it to hold it in place. Now I'm going to use my Super Dog photopolymer clear stamp from My Favorite Things. I'm positioning my desired stamp on top of my white cardstock and I'm picking it up with the lid. I'm inking it up using VersaFine Onyx black ink and stamping it onto my cardstock. As you can see, I'm just giving a gentle pressure. Wow! Look at that crisp image. Isn't that so cool? Let's try stamping with cling mount stamp also. The sunflower cling mount stamp is from Unity Stamp Company, Itty Bitty brand. There is a white backing behind. I'm peeling it off, positioning it on my cardstock, and picking it up with the lid. Oops, I forgot to take off the foam pad. Actually, for this cling mount stamp, you don't need to keep the foam pad to elevate the height as it is already pre-mounted on a foam. So I'm taking the foam pad off and trying to stamp it in the same way as I did for clear stamp. Wow, look at that crisp image. With just one stamping, I got a very clear and crisp impression. Both the cling stamp as well as the clear stamp, both works good with the MISTI tool. This bar magnet is really super strong that it can hold my cardstock well in place. So far, so good. I'm quite so happy to see the good impressions that I made using my MISTI tool, and I'm so excited to try out all the stamping techniques like layering, mirror stamping, masking and such that you will be seeing in my upcoming card making videos. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you won't miss out any of my videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.